Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about how we can secure our WordPress site. So security is the most important part for your website. So without wasting time, let's jump into the security precautions, and this will be very basic one. It's not the advanced but still necessary. If you make these changes on your site will be secured. So first of all, what we should do. So everyone knows about WordPress. So any random guy can come into your site and will start exploring your backend by just adding your site slash WP admin, because it's so common. Oh, lots of sites on the internet are based on WordPress only. So it's necessary to change your admin URL. So here, this is my WordPress site, and let me open my site over here as a normal user. And yeah, I would say this might be WordPress site, so any user can start adding WP admin. So as you can see, when I tried WP admin, it redirects me to 404. Let's add wplogin.php. Still it is redirecting me to 404. So how I did that? So for that I use WPS hide login plugin. So if I can show you, this is the plugin, WPS hide login. It is free. So go to settings from the plugin, and as you can see, we can change the login URL to anything we want. So I added this slug. So now if I try accessing this, it will display the login screen. Obviously I will change this slug after making this video. So don't try to hack my site. So that's one part. Now second part is set site login limitation. So somehow any user gets this URL and they try to add some random stuff over here. So you can set the limitation to login. Here it says one attempt remaining, and if that user tries again, so it is saying too many failed login, please try again in 20 minutes. So even if after this, even if they try to access with correct credential, they won't be able to log in. So how do we do that? So again, I will go to plugins. Let's go to all activate plugin, and here again from the WPS, there is a plugin called limit login. Again, it is all free. So if you go to the setting, you can configure based on your requirement, like allow two tries for 20 minutes. So as we already saw that it is saying that we should try after 20 minutes, you can increase to 1 hour or 1 day, whatever it is convenient to you. Then if it will be lock the user till 24 hour, and yeah, we can enable the email. Oh, sorry, I accidentally set the reset. I will remove, will back to my original setting. So it will send an admin email also after logs out. So if too many login is failed, we will get an email. So let me show you the email, example email. So here is the email, too many failed login attempts and to log out. So it automatically locks the IP for some time of period, maybe 24 hours. Yes. So it will, and here I got 6 failed login attempts using this admin username. So that's that. Now the third one is monitor site activity. So you should timely check your site activity, what is happening on your site. So for that I will go to plugins again, and here we have this plugin called activity log. So this is also a free plugin, you can download it over here. So let's go to activity log section, and here you will see all the activity performed by any user on the site, and you can check what happens or what happened wrong with your site. So if I try to see that, as we know that we just tried a wrong failed login attempt on the site, so we have this action over here. So before this video I updated and deactivated some of the plugins, so this is going well. This is all known activity from me. Now this one, so this is suspicious, I did not try this. So this is the proof that someone is trying to access your site using this username. Again, this username, all are failed login. So as far as it is failed login, that's okay, you are safe. But make sure you don't get any successful login. If you get it, then you will know who to block or which user to delete from your site. So this plugin is also very useful. You can track each update. For example, you can see that this plugin is updated, so you know the actions. And if you go to settings, you can keep the logs for 15 days, keep failed login logs, keep or don't keep, whatever. So that's that. Then number 4 is email alerts. So it should be good you get email alerts for your site actions. So let me show you an example here. If I, you see this post update email, so here I'm getting the email when somebody or I update any post. So you know the something is changing on your site. So if you are not doing anything, or one of the person you know is not doing anything, then this can alert you that something is happening on your site, so that you can take action against that, whatever you do. And maybe you block the user or change the password or temporary email, anything you can do by checking this email alerts. So how do we do that? So again, I'm gonna go to plugins, active plugins, and here I enable this plugin called security. So again, you can get this plugin free. Not here, but on WP.org you will get this free plugin, security. And this is not the paid promotion. This is what I use for my WordPress site security, and I am just sharing my tips to you. So once you activate this, let's go to security. um I did not change anything in the default configuration. So again, here you can track all the activity over here as well, similar to activity log, but I prefer this as well because at some time uh, this is also displaying the correct, but with here we have all the logs including plugin update, delete, remove, or any other. Here you can see just user activity, login activity only. So after activating this plugin, we automatically start getting this alert, security alert, if you can see this. But still I would like to check the settings if I made anything. So yeah, I did not do anything over here. Okay, alerts. Yeah, I added my email ID here to get alerts. Then I kept this as it is, maximum alert per hour. Yeah, I did not change anything. 30 failed login per hour. Okay, this one also. Yeah, everything I kept as it is. Just make sure you add email ID where you want to get the alerts. Then yeah, that's it for this video. This is how I secure my site. So let's go to plugin again. Sorry, let's go to plugin again and let me share the list again. So first is the activity log, then security, WPS hide login, and WPS limit login. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thank you.